Namaste everyone. So in this class we shall discuss about one of the most important problem from electrostatic potential and capacitance. And the problem goes like this. Point charges of 2 nanocoulomb, 4 nanocoulomb and 8 nanocoulomb are placed at the corners A, B and C respectively of a square ABCD of side 2 centimeter. Calculate the work required to transfer a charge of 2 into 10 power minus 9 coulomb from D to the center of the square. So, for that sake, there is a square here of A, B, C, D respectively, and you know that the sides of the square remain same, that is 2 centimeter according to the question. So, the very first step, I am going to take the side as A which is equal to 2 centimeter according to the question. So this 2 centimeter has to be converted to meter, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Next step. So you are supposed to bring a particular charge placed at D to O. Hence I have drawn the diagonal for this. The first and foremost step in this is you are supposed to calculate the hypotenuse, that is AC and BD. So it forms a right angle triangle. So first hypotenuse calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So ACD na reference ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. So AC square is equal to, it is sum of the sides square. ಯಾವ್ದು? That is AD square plus the other one is CD square. Next step, AD, that is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter has to be converted to meter. 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square plus CD is also same thing, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2 whole square. It will be 4 into 10 power minus 4 plus the second term ಕೂಡಾನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 into 10 power minus 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will be 8 into 10 power minus 4. But ನನಗೆ square of the hypotenuse ಬೇಡ, AC ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು. Will be equal to square root of 8 into 10 power minus 4. Square root of 8 is 2 root 2 into 10 power minus 4 na ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡೆ square root ಇಂದ, you will be getting 10 power minus 2 meter. So this is hypotenuse. Next, hypotenuse ಜೊತೆಗೆ half of the hypotenuse, that is OA, OB, OC ಹಾಗೆ OD ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So half of the hypotenuse is nothing but AC by 2. Already hypotenuse ಬಂದಿದೆ, hypotenuse by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. That is 2 root 2 by 2 into 10 power minus 2 will be equal to 2 and 2 will get cancelled, root 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So these two steps are very important, that is half of the hypotenuse and hypotenuse. So plays a very important role. So hypotenuse is 2 root 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter and half of the hypotenuse is root 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So first potential at the center. So ಆ center ನ ನಾನು O ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So ಏನೇನ್ರಿಂದ potential ಬರುತ್ತೆ? So it's just because of potential due to A at O, potential of B at O and potential of C at O. So ಮೂರುದ್ರದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So that is potential at O ನ ನಾನು VO ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. VO which is equal to, potential has a formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. So thereby, so it is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಓ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ ನಾನು ಆರ್ ಓ ಎ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught the charge at B QB divided by R OB distance between O and B plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught charge at C QC by ROC. So if you observe this expression 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common throughout. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. QA ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ 2 into 10 power minus 9 divided by distance between O and A that is ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಓ ಇಂದ ಎಗೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ √2 into 10 power minus 2 plus QB. So QB, the charge at B is 4 nanocoulomb. 4 into 10 power minus 9 divided by the distance between O and B. Again, half of the hypotenuse ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. Plus QC, that is 8 into 10 power minus 9 divided by the distance between O and C. Again, half of the hypotenuse √2 into 10 power minus 2. So next, VO, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 power 9. So ಹಾಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ 10 power minus 9 is common throughout. So ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. And again in the denominator you have √2 into 10 power minus 2 as a common factor. So ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಉಳಿಯೋದು within the brackets 2 plus 4 plus 8 VO, which is equal to 10 power minus 9 and 10 power plus 9 will get cancelled. 9 divided by √2 is nothing but 1.414 into 10 power minus 2 into this is 14. 2 plus 4 plus 8 is 14. VO, which is equal to 9 into 14 is 126 divided by 1.414 into 10 power minus 2 implies 126 by 1.414 is 89.108 into 10 power minus 2 ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಗೆ 8910.8. The unit for potential is volt. This is the potential at O. The same way you are supposed to calculate the potential at D. D ಕೂಡ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So I have taken hypotenuse length as 2 √2 into 10 power minus 2 and half of the hypotenuse as, sorry, this is hypotenuse length and this is square length. So let me draw it again. So it is A, B, C, D. And we have calculated the potential at O. Now we are supposed to calculate the potential at D. So for that, VD anta tagotini, which is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So the charges at A, that is 2 into 10 power minus 9, at B 4 into 10 power minus 9, at C 8 into 10 power minus 9. So throughout the problem calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ನ ಹಾಕೊಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 10 power minus 9 ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ VD, that is potential at D, QA by distance ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? A ಇಂದ D ಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ. that is RAD plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ? B ಇಂದ D ಗೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ಬದಕಾದ್ರೆ B ಇಂದ O ಗೆ, A ಇಂದ O ಗೆ, C ಇಂದ O ಗೆ ತಗೋತಿದ್ರಿ. now it will be from B to D, A to D, ಹಾಗೆ C to D. So it is BD plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught QC divided by CD. So if you observe the equation, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common throughout. So ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Within the brackets, QA is nothing but 2 into 10 power minus 9 divided by A ಇಂದ D ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟರ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 into 10 power minus 2. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. plus QB, that is 4 into 10 power minus 9 divided by B ಇಂದ D ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಇಸ್ 2√2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ QC, that is 8 into 10 power minus 9 divided by C ಇಂದ D ಗೆ again ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. that is 2 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, 2 into 10 power minus 2. ಸೊ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ O ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ D ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? A ಇಂದ D ಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ C ಇಂದ D ಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಹೈಪೋಟೆನಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ? when you are calculating B to D. Next, VD, which is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means 9 into 10 power plus 9. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 power minus 9 is common divided by, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದು 2 into 10 power minus 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2√2 into 10 power minus 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 10 power minus 2 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 2 into 10 power minus 2 ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಉಳಿಯೋದು ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into 10 power minus 2 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. 4 into 10 power minus 9 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2 ಹೋಗಿದೆ, but √2 remains as it is plus 8. ಹಾಗೆ 10 power minus 9 already ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so it won't come here. So we shall solve it now. So VD, which is equal to 9 into 10 power minus 9 and plus 9 will get cancelled. 9 by 2 into 10 power minus 2 into 2 plus 4 divided by √2 is nothing but 1.414. So adana solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. I'm going to write the final answer for this, that is 12.8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So the entire value, this entire value, so 4 divided by √2, 1.414 ಎಲ್ಲ complete solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will be getting the answer, complete factor as 12.82. So VD, which is equal to 9 into 12.82 is 115.38 divided by 2 into 10 power minus 2. So solve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you'll be getting 57.69 into 10 power minus 2 ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will be shift ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5769 volt. So this is the potential at D. So we have got the potential at O as 8910.8 and at D as 5769 volts. So next thing, so we will calculate the potential difference. So potential difference anta helidre VO minus VD. So potential at O 8910.8 minus the potential at D 5769. So it will be around 3141.8 volt. But you are supposed to calculate the work. Potential has a formula, work done to bring a unit positive charge. So W, which is equal to V into Q ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. V, ನಾವು previous step ಇಂದ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 3141.8 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Q, ಯಾವ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ನ ಹಾಕೋತೀರಾ? ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಓಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಡಿ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ನ್ಯಾನೋಕೂಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 10 power minus 9. So when you going to multiply this, you will be getting 6283, approximately 6283 into 10 power minus 9. For the work, the unit is joule. So this is the entire problem. So in order to calculate the work done to bring a particular charge from D to O, first to hypotenuse calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ half of the hypotenuse calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, potential at O calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, potential at D ಕೂಡ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ work is nothing but potential into the charge.